When it comes to cloud storage, Google Drive and Dropbox are two of the most popular options, each with its unique strengths and features. Choosing the right platform depends on your workflow, collaboration needs, and storage requirements. Google Drive is known for its seamless integration with Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This makes real-time collaboration simple and efficient, as multiple users can edit documents simultaneously. Google Drive also offers powerful search capabilities, organization tools like folders and color coding, and generous free storage of 15 gigabytes shared across Gmail, Drive, and Google Photos. Dropbox, on the other hand, has built its reputation on speed, reliability, and file syncing. It allows files to be stored locally on your device while syncing automatically to the cloud, ensuring you always have access to the latest version. Dropbox also supports collaborative tools like Dropbox Paper, making it easy for teams to share notes, brainstorm, and manage projects. Its interface is straightforward, and it's often praised for fast file uploads and downloads. Free storage is more limited at 2 gigabytes, but paid plans expand this significantly with advanced sharing and security features. In terms of collaboration, Google Drive excels for users who rely heavily on Google Workspace, while Dropbox is ideal for teams needing fast syncing and a simple file sharing workflow. Security is strong on both platforms. Google Drive offers encryption, two-factor authentication, and compliance features, whereas Dropbox includes encryption, password-protected links, and remote device wipe options for sensitive files. Both platforms also allow offline access, so you can work without an internet connection. Ultimately, the choice between Google Drive and Dropbox depends on your needs. If you want integrated productivity tools and more free storage, Google Drive is a great choice. If you prioritize fast syncing, reliability, and simple collaboration, Dropbox may be the better option. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cloud storage comparisons, productivity tips, and ways to optimize your digital workspace in 2025.